Welcome! Today I'm showing how to change screen recorder sound settings in your iPhone SE 2022. First of all, need to open your bottom navigation bar and find here screen recorder button. If you don't have this button here, like this, so we'll go into settings, then scroll down and go into control center. Now scroll down and find screen recorder option in more controls. So find this button, screen recording. So click plus to add here screen recorder option and go back to settings. Now go back to our home screen and open our bottom navigation bar. Here we got this button, screen recorder. So now press and hold, and here on the bottom we got our sound settings. So you can choose, for example, microphone off or on, and start your recording with this option. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.